Alright, here's a Holmes Blizzard. I guess it's the normal size one. There's like the pedestal one, this version, and a mini one, the little Blizzard. It's a white one. I've never seen one in white before. I would love to get it, but there's no way I can get it today. I think I don't have the space for it. 092M. That's something I've never seen before. 2M. I'm not sure. I don't really know what year it's from. I'm guessing it's from the 2000s, I'm guessing. But a bit dusty, and they marked it at $4.99, which I don't think is a bad deal on this. So, yeah. Alright, so here's low speed. Moves quite a decent amount, quite a good amount of air on low speed. First speed up, it's probably a lot more. To oscillate. Yeah, I won't be able to get it in time if I'm leaving this Thursday. Today's Tuesday. By the time this thing's in, I'll be able to get it. It'll be sold. Medium. A bit loud. Should actually keep this in a break room because it's hot in here. Now for it's good there. This thing probably was. If only this thing was cleaned up, it would probably be a lot more powerful. Would I love to do it? Yes, but I don't have the time? No. Yeah, it definitely is pretty filthy. Oh yeah, it definitely needs good cleaning. Well yeah, it's pretty powerful. So yeah, that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for more videos to come.